A warm welcome to all the students of Daud Boy Fazal Boy Primary School, Ward B, Standard 2nd, Subject Play to Learn, Topic Instruments. Now look here, students. We all like to listen the music. By listening music, we feel fresh and happy. So dear students, today we will learn more about music and musical instruments and different types of sounds. Different musical instruments. Single string instrument. Now, this is the first. I will introduce you with the instrument used for playing music. Now let us see about musical instruments. Dear students, on the screen, which picture you can see? Which picture is this? Now read the name of the instrument, students, given here. Yes, this is single string instruments. What is this? Yes, this is single string instrument. Next one. Now come on. Which picture is this? Yeah, this is one of the instrument. What is this? This is a cymbals. Okay, and what is the spelling of this? cymbals, cymbals. Now this is tharpa. T-A-R-A-P-A, tharpa. Dholak. D-H-O-L-A-K, dholak. Halgi. H-A-L-A-G-I, halgi. Dholki. D-H-O-L-K-I, dholki. Now we will do one activity. This is clap activity. Now see this picture. This is clap activity. In this clap activity, now C can hear the sound of my clap. Now look here. Type 1. Let's do first one. Now see, I will clap my hands in rhythmic way. See. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay. Now I will create the sound in another way. Okay. Type 2. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Now come on, do it along with me. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Now let's do another one. Okay, type 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. Now come on, do it, students. You all also. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. Now let's do type 4. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so this also create sound, and in our surrounding we heard the sound of like police siren, we heard the sound of ambulance, we heard the sound of bird chirping. Okay, this all sounds make a variation of sounds. Okay, now sound of like dried pods of the gulmohar, babool and groundnuts, and different sounds like dove making vessel, dinner plate, ball, etc. Okay, now only with the instruments we can also create different types of sounds with our shown in this picture, like kitchen utensils, like empty tiffin box. Okay, so here students, this all these things also create a sound. Okay, so this all creates sound, and in our surrounding we heard the sound of many things, just like I already told you, like police siren, uh, we heard the sound of ambulance, we heard the sound of birds chirping, we heard the sound of different types of birds. uh, okay, and we heard the sound of different types of horn volume. Hmm? Yes, so these are sounds make a variation of sounds. Okay, these all are the variation of sounds. So here students, not only musical instruments but these all like our home utensils, uh, this all one the variation of sounds. So today in this chapter we have learned about the musical instruments and the other sound play with the things. Now students, you have to tell me the names of the instruments. Okay? Okay, let's solve some exercises students. Now students, you have to tell me the names of the instruments given over here. Now can you identify this picture? First picture student, can you identify the first picture? Yes, this is a piano. Now what is the spelling of piano students? Come on, tell me. Yes, P I A N O, piano. Okay, now look the second picture students. Okay, now tell me which instrument it is. Yes, it is a guitar. So what is the spelling of guitar? G U I T A R, guitar. Okay. Now let's see the next picture students. Observe this picture. Now see the first picture. Can you identify this picture? Yes. The first one is, the first one is, come on, tabla. And what is the spelling of tabla? T A B L A, tabla. And second one students, come on, tell me. Yeah, it's a flute. So what is the spelling of flute? F L U T E, flute. Okay. Now this one. Observe the first picture, students. Yes, this is a triangle. And what is the spelling of triangle? T R I A N G L E. Triangle. And the next picture, observe the second picture. Yes, this is a harmonium. What is the spelling of harmonium? Harmonium. 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 Now activity for you students. You have to practice rhythmic clapping every day. Okay, at home. Thank you and have a nice day, students.